Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn off all messages on PS4. So for example, if you're getting a lot of spam messages, you can easily disable it, right? And it's really easy. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on messages here, and then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to press options button, right? And then the first option is privacy settings, messages, press on it, and then probably you will need to enter here your password when the page boots up, and then you should see this one, and you have few options. So anyone, friends only, and no one. So if you select this one, and as you can see here, it says choose who can invite you to parties, initiate messages, and send you game invitations. So basically, if you select no one can invite you to parties or send messages. So if you get a lot of, for example, spam messages from strangers, so I prefer to use this option, friends only. So friends can send you messages and invite to parties, but strangers cannot do this, right? So choose whatever you want and then press confirm. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do. All right, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.